Trevi Fountain, located in the city of Rome, Italy, welcomes millions of tourists every year. Trevi, one of the most famous of the many fountains in the city, has a magnificent visual. Throwing a coin into the Trevi Fountain is a tradition that visitors to the famous Trevi Fountain in Rome do by throwing a coin with their right hand over their left shoulder, wishing luck. To explain how this is done and to answer the question of whether this is madness or luck. How to throw coins in the Trevi Fountain. 1. Prepare the money you want to use for your wish. People often use small coins or coins for this purpose. 2. Approach the fountain and stand with your back to the fountain. 3. Hold the coin in your left hand and using your right hand toss it backwards over your right shoulder. 4. As you toss the coin, make your wish and sincerely desire it to come true. 5. It is believed that your wish will be granted when the money reaches the water in the fountain. Madness or luck? Whether throwing a coin into the Trevi Fountain is foolish or by chance depends on personal beliefs and perspectives. Some people see it as part of a historical tradition and really see it as a way to make wishes and seize luck. Others may see this as stupidity or disrespect given factors such as environmental pollution and the preservation of the historical structure. As a result, throwing coins into the Trevi Fountain is traditionally done to make wishes and seek luck. Whether this is madness or luck depends on individual beliefs and perspectives. Euro coins are collected every year at the Trevi Fountain. Do you think throwing money in the Trevi Fountain is crazy or is it luck?